Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I came up with another new video which is how to create a dashboard by using a Power BI desktop. So let's see the previous dashboard first. Post that we'll get into the creation of dashboard. So here you are able to see the dashboard was created. So the data is related to a sales data. uh, Date wise and the product sale, category of the products, sales agent name, and the city where it got sold, and number of items, prices, and amount. So this is the data. So the data is for entire 2021 month, 2021 year. I'm having a 1650 line items. So by using this data, we will create the dashboard. So what is Power BI? So most of us was known as Power BI query only. So Power BI is a visualization tool which was created by Microsoft. So here you are able to see the Power BI desktop view, right? So this is the home button, insert, modeling, view, and help. So how we are going to create this and all the things we'll see in a couple of minutes. So here I have it data for entire month. So once I pick on a month, so the data is automatically loading with relevant month. If you see the data got loaded, so this is how much sales and the agent wise sales and the product wise sales and location wise sale. What is the percentage was sold by each product, and this is the month tab. So let's get into the video and see how to create the dashboard by using a Power Query. This is the Power BI desktop view. So here home button is there. So get data option is to get the data from different servers you can load over here. So that could be a Excel or a SQL server or text or a CSV formats. Any other thing you can use and load that. So before that, what we'll do is we'll save this one, then we'll start working. Go to file menu and save. So I'm saving this as a dashboard. Was it I'm going to load the data from Excel. Whatever the data we have, sales data, the one which we have seen earlier. Let me open again. This is having a date and the product category, sales agent, city, number of items, price and amount. Pick on a Excel workbook. So wherever you are given a Excel data, select the data path and select the Excel, open it. It takes couple of minutes to load, at least 1 or 2 minutes, because it is taking a connectivity between a Power BI and Excel. So you are able to see the connection, a window got opened. So the dialog box got opened as a navigator if you see. So here it was looking like a sales data, and what is the inside data is, so I have given a sheet name as the data. Just pick on this. So once you click over here, it will preview your data. If you want to edit anything into your data, you can use the transform data mode and you can edit it. Now I don't want to use the transform mode, so I'm just loading it. It takes 1 minute to load. Once the data got loaded, here it will be going to showcase. If you see, the load tab is open, the data is evaluating. If you see the total 1650 line items got loaded over here. If you want to view the data, on the left side there is a data tab. Just pick on it. Your loaded data will be appear here. So if you see the data, whatever we have seen in Excel, it got loaded over here with the date, product, category, and all the things. So now I want to create the visual dashboard. For that, I'm picking over here in the report tab. So first we are going to create a bar chart. So if you go to visualizations, here we have a build visual. So here you are able to see the different charts. So I'm selecting a bar chart, that is clustered bar chart. Just pick over here. So if you see, it got loaded here. So now I'm resizing according to my requirement. So I'm dragging to right side, from left to right. So if you see, there is a field tab, right? From field tab you are able to see the data. Just pick here the data, whatever we have taken, it will be loaded into this format. Again you have a date tab, right? Select here, you will find date hierarchy. Open it. So here we are going to look for a month wise sales was happened. So just select the month and drag into this. Next, select the amount. So if you see, the data got loaded over here into filters. I'm hiding that filter. So here you are able to see the month wise data got loaded. Now I want to resize this data. For that, what I'm doing is I'm going to format visuals options. So here I want to see the data labels. I'm picking it as on and just open this, and you will find the options, positions, and all the things. You can select according to your requirement. Suppose that I want to change the font size. So post data table, data labels, you will have a values option. Pick over here and change the size of text according to your requirement. Right now I'm changing it to 12 and making it as a bold. So only the data labels got changed. Now I want the month and the x-axis, y-axis data, whatever is there, I want to change that. For that reason, what I'm doing, I'm going to y-axis and changing the text size, making it as a bold. Even in x-axis, I'm making everything as 12 along with bold. This is created for the month and the sales happened amount. So again I'm taking a bar chart. So we'll create this bar chart for the agent wise. That means sales report, sales representative wise. So for this, what I'm doing is sales agent, selecting, and the amount. These two categories. Again, I want to add the data labels for this also. Similarly, I'm going to visual tab. And data labels is on. So now I want to format this one with the similar, the previous one, whatever we have did. So for that reason, what I'm doing is selecting and taking as a format paint and selecting the other data wherever I want to format. So it got changed for entire graph. So now I want to filter this in the form of ascending. For that reason, I'm going to options. Here more options is there. Pick on a sort axis, ascending, sort by ascending. Along with the sales agent. So this is agent wise amount, what was the sales happened for entire 2021 here. Now we will be doing it in a column chart for the product and the amount whatever we have sold in that respective year. So for that I am selecting a column chart and I am resizing according to my requirement. So now I will be select the product, just tick mark on a product, post that amount. So this is the product was sold in 2021. Again I'm formatting this by using a format painter option. Again I want to sort. Go to sort axis, make it as a product. If you want to sort with the text, you can take ascending. So this is the column chart. Now I want to look the area wise in line chart. For that reason, what I'm doing is I'm picking on a line chart. The city and the amount. So this is city wise chart. So here also if you want to add data labels, go to data validation, format visualization. From here you will pick on a data validation, data labels. Again selecting this using a format painter option and selecting the city. So this is a city wise happened 2.75 million, 6 million. So if you want to use a sort option, you can go to 3 dots and select sort by city. Now we will see the pie chart. So pie chart with the product wise. So I'm selecting a pie chart. Post that giving as a category and the amount. So I'm just resizing it. Again I'm taking a format painter option and formatting this also. So if you want to use sort option, you can use by category and you can filter it out with A to Z ascending or Z to A, whatever ascending or descending. So now we want to create a month. Next we are going to create a slicer with month. For that I'm selecting a slicer and selecting the month option. If you expand it hierarchy, you will find the month option. To select month. So it was looking in a vertical. Now we have to change this into horizontal. For that what I am doing is go to format your visuals. Go to slicer settings and select instead of vertical, give it as a horizontal. So it will be in the form of a horizontal. Again I'm doing it as a formatting. So I'm selecting this and taking as a format painter and giving a format to this tab. So this is how to create a dashboard. If you want to change the colors, go to view and here we have a themes, right? You can select any of the theme and give it to your data. just I'm giving this one. So whatever the theme you guys want, you can change it according to your requirement. So this is the today's video, how to create a dashboard by using a Power BI. Thanks for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and click on a bell icon for more videos.